This is our first video on looking at acceleration and velocity vectors. Which cases below represent an object that would be speeding up, slowing down, or turning at a constant speed? Let's deal with speeding up first. You should have learned in your first year class that if the velocity and acceleration vectors are pointing in the same direction, that object will be speeding up. So that one there is speeding up. How about this one on the right? He's speeding up as well. Any others? Yep. How about in the lower right? That looks like speeding up to me. In fact, these two are the same, aren't they? No, they're not. This one's acceleration, got a big acceleration and a small velocity. This one has a big velocity and a small acceleration. Oh, almost fooled myself. What about an object that is slowing down? Let's box those in. We put little bubbles around the first ones. Let's box in the ones that are slowing down. Well, that means that the acceleration and velocity vectors are pointing opposite to each other. So let's draw a box around that one, because that one's going to be slowing down, and this one is going to be slowing down as well. None of the objects that we have boxed in so far are going to be turning. They're not going to be turning. They're either speeding up or slowing down. If they're turning, they have to have some component, not the entire component necessarily, but they have to have some component of their acceleration that is at right angles to the velocity. How about I make this like squiggly bubbles? How's that? Turning at a constant speed, that's going to be this guy right here. You see, look at that picture. He's not going to be speeding up because there's no acceleration vector that is parallel to his velocity. But he's not going to be slowing down either because there's no component of the acceleration that is exactly opposite velocity. This guy is going to be turning at a constant speed. Same thing with this guy down at the bottom of the screen in the middle. He's not speeding up. He's not slowing down. He's going to be turning at a constant speed. We're going to dive into these ideas a little bit more in the next couple of videos.